everyone, this is your host Ajay Fariti here from Pakistan from Scholarship World channel. Yes, University of Sassari has announced its PID fully funded scholarships for the 41st 41 cycle. So in this video we will discuss about all these positions and how someone can apply and can secure its scholarship in Italy for fully funded PID position. So this is by University of Sassari. So I have chosen this page from Google, so you can take some idea that how is the Sassari and where it is in Italy and what's his history. So it is an island. Sassari is an island near Cagliari, and it is in Italy. The positions are fully funded. You can see a little bit from here. Then I start the University of Sassari page. Sassari is the second largest in the autonomous region of Sardinia in Italy, as well as the capital and the largest of its metropolitan city, with this is the inhabitants as of 2025 and functional urban area of this inhabitant, one of the oldest cities on the island. So this is one of the oldest city on the island. It contains a considerable collection of art, so good architecture, art and culture things are there. So if we go to Wikipedia, so you can have a look on it. It's open now. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah, it has come now, this page here. So you can go through the history of this thing. It is a beautiful town, city, Sassari, and you can see in this map that this is whole Italy map. And look, this is also an island of Sassari. So there is a distance between mainland of Italy and Sassari, but it is in Italy because Italian government is controlling this. It is under the government of Italy. So this is the information about this historical town, city here. So you can see that it is saying here that Sassari view in 16th century. You can see interesting one. Geography, these are the temperatures all around the area. You can have a look, because if you get this scholarship and you will have to stay there. It is look, this is now these days, so not bad. If someone is selected on the scholarship, he or she can enjoy the life in Sassari and the study in University of Sassari. There was an image of University of, look, this is here, University of Sassari. So this is the University of Sassari is the oldest in Sardinia. So it was founded in 1562. So someone can go through this history thing here. So this is the transportation over there. It is developed, not bad. It is part of Italy. So this thing I wanted to show here. And if we take some information from Britannica, this is also very good encyclopedia. So you can see here that this is Sardinia, Sassari, and this is Italy main region. So you can take a ferry from main region of Italy to here. It's not bad. Someone I read that there is 164 kilometer distance from mainland. Yeah. These are the distances written here. Sardinia, so region is Sardinia and main city is Sassari. Yeah, beautiful wildlife also there. People come to visit this type of wildlife. So let's come back to the topic of our scholarships. Yes, this is the okay here. call for the application for the admission to 41st cycle of PhD programs. So this cycle is now open, and this is the call here. You can download, and the deadline is 1st of September. So we go to some, you can see this university here a little bit. Look, it's very beautiful. Look of university main building. Okay, it's a good looking university and good number of students also there, international as well. You can go to the tab of international, and then you can see the number of students or facilities here. Yes, you can see like this, and you can browse many things of this university for your own choice. Okay, so let's go to the call first, and then we discuss how you can apply. So this is the call. 1st of September is the last date to apply. So this call is for the fully funded scholarships in this university. A good number of positions have been announced. So this is the call. Okay, so Sassari University of Sassari has announced its PhD positions, a number of PhD positions. You will see there is a chart here. Okay, so there are three types of scholarship positions: line A, line B, and university funding or self-financing scheme. So there are this number of positions: line A 47, line B is 18 positions, 47 position, 18 position, and plus 26 positions. So this is the whole number of positions here. You can see that there are different areas where these positions are announced: archaeology, history and human sciences, architecture and environment, culture, literature, rights, tourism and territory, and economics, management and quantitative methods, life sciences and biotechnologies, agriculture sciences, chemical sciences and technologies, and then again judicial sciences and medical, surgical and experimental sciences, veterinary sciences. So these are the areas in which these positions have been announced. So there is what are the admission requirements? As we know that you must have done the international master's equivalent program. You must have master's equivalence in third world countries 18 years of education, and in advanced countries there should be masters. So you must have equivalent to masters in of Italy, so that you must be recognized as internationally master degree holder. Then you can apply for it, and you must provide the proficiency of English to study here. So you can provide the English proficiency. So your degree must be completed. Master degree should be completed by 31st of October if you want to apply in this program. Yeah, the course will start by 1st of November. So the other things which you want to discuss here, and that this is the application procedure which will be online. I will give the link as well in the description. So the scholarship amount is similar as to the other universities, like 16,000 something of annually, which is a very good thing. You can easily accommodate on that. So this is here how to apply for this. Deadline is 1st of September. So only will apply through Easy, website of Easy. So I will put the link in the description, like other Italian universities. So I will also provide the link of your tutorial how you can apply for this scholarship. Yes, there is a breakup of your selection, that qualifications, research project plus interview. The exam for the admission to the PhD program takes place in one of the following ways, as chosen by every PhD program has its different selection criteria. Some have qualification, research project and interviews, and some has qualification, writing assignment and interview, and some has only qualification and interview. So every PID program section, they have their own criteria of selection. Look, you can take 30 points for maximum for qualification, up to 20 maximum points for research project, and up to 50 points for interview. So they will make a threshold of admission, that how much they are marks they want for your admission. So I'm opening some lecture here now, so that you can get some more idea about different PID positions. Okay, so this is the annexure which I have opened. I will put the link in the description as well. So every area has its own explanation. You can go through this thing. Look, the first one is archaeology, history and human sciences. So this is the coordinator name whom you can contact. This is the email address. Okay, so you can read through this. Training goals. The main purpose of the course is train graduates and advanced. So this all these details you can go through, and then I want to show that in which research fields, which research fields are in this section. You can see Greek history, Roman history, civilization of pre-Roman Italy, and classical archaeology, Greek Latin theology. You can go through, and which you are interested, you can write some research proposal. Okay, so these are the types N1 of scholarships, N1, N2, N4, N5 and N7. So they write that which type of scholarship they are going to offer for this topic and this area. So next is architecture and environment, and this is the director email address, and you can study through it. And in architecture and environment, which are the areas which you can study? Look, ecology, pedology, and physical geography, and these things are here: transportation, construction science, design, drawing. So you can choose your own area to write the research proposal, and they are writing here how they will make the selection, qualification into 30 plus 70. So they will like. So these are the types of scholarship: line A, line B, types of fundings which have been announced by this university, which you can attain. Okay, so next is the cultural, literature, rights, tourism and territory. So you can go through like this. You can choose your field, that in which you want to study English literature, and what you want to study Spanish literature, what you want to do, whatever you like, you can find. If your area lies in it, then try for it, go for it, and try to get this scholarship, this wonderful opportunity to stay in Sassari and study in University of Sassari. So these are all the pages which you can go through. Look, this is for biological fields are as well, life sciences and biotechnologies. You can see that whether you are going for zoology, ecology, physiology, or which one is your subject area, you can try for it. So I will put some useful links in the description as well. So I hope you will apply for this scholarship, and I wish all the best for your try and for being successful in this your scholarship hunt for your next degree. So these scholarships are for PhD only. So if you have any question, you can comment in the comment section, and the deadline is 1st of September. So keep this in mind, and if you think that this information are useful for you, then kindly like and share this video, and also subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for your support. I welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.